Okay.
It's like you try to do anything, it's too bright for you to do anything.
Well, he got bear
Why'd
traps.
Casey switch?
Oh, I think everyone. I don't know. I think he wants. You could just share your chat. That's it. Party settings. Where is it at? Allow your voice to be shared, and that's it.
That's for recording though, isn't it?
Oh,
What?
yo. Alright, so let's move this bitch. Come on, fucker. You with me?
I'm moving the game chat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll switch.
I'm gonna move the game chat also.
Alright. Oh shit. Oh. Well, I know where they're coming from. Ah! Fuck you,
What?
you fucking raging cunt!
Dang.
There's a terrorist there! There's a
I'm
terrorist
going to
there
game
too!
chat.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch to game chat once I get inside. Move! Jaeger! Let me get by the let me get... Yeah, move! Alright, switching to... Oh, wow, everyone with the game chat. Okay. I'm alive!
E.
Thank you, Oprah. Thank you, Tom Cruise.
Or whatever.
Alright, let me refill. Okay. Dropping this. I had a feeling we were gonna need it for this one.
No, you don't really need it till like round 4.
What?
Oh.
You don't really need anything else till like wave 4. Everything else is like easy.
Wait, no.
Who are you yelling at?
Probably
Ooh.
a castle.
I'm still reinforcing the walls.
Oh, what the
my
fuck?
bad.
I'm still reinforcing the walls.
I was trying
They're
to
breaking in.
the cabinet over there, but
Thermite!
There was a shield here. Not anymore though.
Shit, we're gonna have to lock this down.
apparently if you go outside, you die within 10 seconds.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It sucks.
It does. I wanted to go outside. Take a nice swim.
Oh no.
It's like they're
I hear
breaching
explosions.
everywhere.
3 enemies left.
Two
Oh no, I'm
left.
dying.
Eat shit, bitch.
Hostiles neutralized.
Jay,
Yo.
might want to stay in here.
Hostiles re
Okay.
I'm gonna have to cover this the back part right here. Somebody's gonna need to.
Oh, there's arm over there? I did not know that.
It's been down for a while.
I probably just didn't see it.
We got 8 seconds.
I'm refilling.
hostile insertion. Keep the hostages safe.
Watch out.
I hear their little feet.
Oh, yay, great.
Woo! Cover them.
Shield. Put up a cover on this.
Got it. Oh, I got a shot.
Target changing max.
It's so bright. Watch your feet. Put down a bear trap right here, so that when they jump in, they could go right back on top of it.
Cover me.
Watch out, I'm about to fucking... I'm jumping out the window with this one.
3 hostiles left.
You outside, outside. Oh, fuck no.
What happened?
They were trying to come.
Where's the last word?
The threat has been
They keep
eliminated.
jumping onto the thing and I keep killing
Hostiles
them.
regrouping. Secure the hostage.
They're gonna try and break into the window that I had put the bear trap at. It's gonna land right on top of it.
Bro, just hold down square and it'll, like, it'll put you
It
down
takes
barricade
too
you.
long. I'm about to die.
No, you're not.
Hostile insertion. Prepare to
This
engage.
window is
Not on my watch.
Exactly. We got you, bro. We got you.
I'm still holding
We
on
did
to
it.
the front.
Yay! Watch.
Oh, I see. That breach charge out of here, nigga.
Dang. Move from the window, move from the window. I got that guy with the bear trap.
Bear trap.
we're under fire.
Hold that bitch.
I knifed the guy.
Enemy
Here,
override
bomber.
this area.
No!
Funniest thing I think I've ever seen in Rainbow Six.
I can't breathe! This is too funny!
Get inside, get inside.
I'm putting a barricade up.
Castle's almost down.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm coming to the front, bro.
Oh my god, that was funny as hell.
Oh no!
Hostiles eliminated.
You had
Hey!
an explosive on the door.
We won!
Friendly victorious.
We
Yo,
did
look,
it!
they had an explosive on this door. I was about to die. Got him.
They
He killed
would've-
him and destroyed it.
They would have thought.
And there was two of them. I was like, oh hell nah.
I took a shotgun to that battle.
I was not expecting to get bomb rushed, so I didn't know what to do.
They would have thought.
I was like, oh hello, motherfucker.